Nobody seems to know for sure where Cablegate may lead. As media speculates on the future of the WikiLeaks case, I thought it would be appropriate to ask the opinion of an attorney with experience in dealing with complex international affairs. Recently I found such an attorney, and I was able to conduct an interview with him on February 18th. I'm speaking with Senior Principal Attorney of McNabb Associates, Douglas McNabb of PC Attorneys at Law. According to their website, www.mcnabbassociates.com, their firm offers over 30 years of international legal experience in dealing with issues such as Interpol litigation, international extradition, and OFAC SDNs. By anyone's standards, their firm is an authority on the issue of global criminal defense. Sir, in your YouTube video, WikiLeaks Julian Assange Conspiracy Federal Crimes Extradition, you mentioned the usage of conspiracy charges as an extraditable offense when receiving stolen property. With that said, which charges might WikiLeaks face in the United States?
Well, I would say that probably 99% of the indictments that are brought against clients that we defend in federal criminal proceeding, count one of the indictment is always conspiracy. Conspiracy is a very broadly written statute. It's a very dangerous statute from a defense perspective. Let's assume hypothetically that you have four defendants, A, B, C, and D. And let's assume that A brings a quantity of drugs into the United States, one trip into the United States. Let's assume further that the U.S. government indicts A along with B, C, and D is the major player. A could be punished the same as D, even though D is the one with the racehorses, ranches, and airplanes, because A is a co-conspirator along with D. And that's true even if A doesn't even know D. If A knows B and B knows C and D, so that there's a thread that runs among all four of them, then A could be punished the same. That is true in a drug transaction. That is true in espionage, national security crimes. That is true in white-collar crimes, whether mail fraud, wire fraud, securities fraud, money laundering cases. Conspiracy is a very broadly written statute, such that it is possible that an individual could be charged with conspiracy along with others who have also been charged with conspiracy, even though they all don't know each other and they all aren't aware of the actions taken by all of the other co-conspirators.
Stay tuned to Christopher C. throughout the week to see how this story develops.